Welcome to my new video, and our first product of today is a Game Boy. It's a Supreme Game Boy with a N64 controller. It costs about $8.44, and it came with a splitter for your TV, so you can connect the Game Boy with a TV. And now we can have a closer look. The quality is like 9 out of 10. Like I said, it would be a 10 out of 10, but the controller doesn't work. And now we can turn it on. It has about 500 games on it, and you can choose between two languages, Chinese and English. And as you can see, oh, there are 400 on it, sorry, my bad. And now we try the Super Mario, so you can see how the quality is, how the controlling is. So, and now we come to the controller. It doesn't work, but maybe it works with some other console. But if I connect it to the Game Boy, it doesn't work, and it also feels really cheap, and it has only a micro USB cable. You can also charge the Game Boy with a micro USB cable. It also has a battery in it, so you have to pay for an extra delivery. Overall, a great product. So next up we have a Ahsoka minifigure. It's the one from The Mandalorian, and it's good quality. Next up we got the drone. It's a 9 out of 10 because the camera quality is pretty shit. This was about $38.19. It came with a total of 5 batteries, also a cable with 3 outputs, also micro USB. It also has a single cable and also a screwdriver. There are also some extra parts so you can repair the drone if something is broken. Camera is pretty good. Overall, for $40 it's a nice drone. It's a small drone, it's compact. It has also some lights in front, and now if it blinks it tries to connect with the controller. And yeah, now we come to the controller. It has 2 antennas for the connection. Also you can connect your phone with the camera and lock it in, like you can see in the picture here. Also when you have to push the button a bit longer, then a green light will light up. The controls are in Chinese, but the manual is in English. So here we have the other 2 batteries. Here's a description of the software you need to download to use the camera. Also an extra piece to clean the camera. Here we have a look at the manual. We have also some protectors to protect our wings from contact. You can easily attach them. So now let's put this back together. It also came with a VR goggles, but they're pretty shit, and you need to have a smaller phone to be able to use them, but the quality is nothing special.
but shawty a freak in the sheet, so I don't give a fuck about a man. They see me in, I want to losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat the pussy, then I go and...
It also came with a landing ground where you can try to land the drone, but it's kinda impossible. Next up we got some AirPods Pro. They are pretty cheap for $3.37. The quality is okay, the sound is 7 out of 10, but for €3. Also the batteries last long. And now we can compare them to some real ones. You see the real one have the description of Apple and the fake one don't have that. And yeah, you can feel the difference if you hold them in your hand.